To create a task list right from something in your email, there's a couple of ways you can do this. One way is to select the email that you would like to create a task list for. And then you're going to go up here. Once you click an email, you're going to have more options. And this one with the check mark and the plus is going to say add to tasks. If you click on that, it's going to open up your taskbar in the right-hand side, which is shown by this icon right here, the blue with the white line and the orange circle. And it's going to automatically add a task where you can then add in the details. You can also put a date or time that it is due, and you can actually repeat it as well. So this is something that you can go through and add tasks. You can also add tasks by simply dragging and dropping. So if I want to take, as long as I have my taskbar open on the right, and to open it, all you have to do is click the task icon right here, and then say, I want this one to be a task. I just drop it. I just dragged it and dropped it right over here. There we go. And what you're going to be able to do, again, you're going to be able to edit it. It links the email right there, and you're going to be able to set up your tasks. So this is something that you can do if you're trying to make sure you flag something to take care of it.